Hi, welcome to Flash Friday. I think we can safely say we've got something incredibly special this time. A lot of you will know about our Acacia range, which is a hardwood, which is very light, which makes it ideal for early years. This is a early years sink, but the good thing is it's got a working tap. So literally nice 10cm length handle, making it ideal for little hands to just pump, and the water will then come down this plug and into the waste, which is here. Dimensions making it perfect for early years. It's got a height of 57 centimeters, it's got a width of 65 centimeters and a depth of 45 centimeters, so it makes it ideal for early years children. Another really cool thing and practical part to this is its ability to be moved. It comes with 4 heavy duty casters, 2 of which are lockable, which makes it again ideal and safe for parking up somewhere and moving to another area when needed. So the new Acacia Wooden Sink Units are now in stock and ready for immediate dispatch. We've got a special price. These should be $300. We're doing them at a half price offer of £150 each. If you want to go ahead, please reply with your nursery name and your postcode, and then we'll sort the rest. Thank you so much. Hope you like. We love it, and it's going to be a really good addition to our range. Thank you.